with malevolent intentions aiming to overshadow individuals with evil. The sound emanating from their wings and the screeches from their beaks emit frequencies of darkness, disrupting and bringing destruction into the natural realm of a person's existence. Their ultimate objective is to thwart the God-given plans and purposes designated for an individual's life. To destroy these birds, follow the steps outlined below. Number 1, pray in tongues until you feel a shift in the atmosphere. Ask your soul to retreat, find rest in Christ, and maintain silence. 3, summon your spirit to the front to engage with the heavenly courts. 4, petition the Father for access to the court of records, unwanted guest register.